morning I got a new to me GoPro 9, and I'm gonna just cruise around a little bit here, see how it does. I'm now using the audio from my Cardo. I figured out how to do that. I don't typically get into the app, but when you open up the app, all you have to do is click, I think it just says voice recording, and you just hit it and it starts recording you. So the Cardo is pretty new to me as well. So this will be interesting to see how well any of this actually does for me. Alright, well, I don't know, it was pretty nasty out, but looking a lot better now. I hope you can see all this, because I do live in a beautiful area. We got Christmas tree farms. All the leaves are falling and changing colors, so it's pretty cool. Yeah, got all these hills up here. They just chip sealed this road. So for multiple weeks it was pretty nasty. Gravel. I'm getting a lot of wind noise in my own ears here, so it'll be interesting to see how well the audio sounds. Cardo doesn't work very well with trying to add that audio to the video. Then I'll make something else work. I'll find some kind of microphone. Let's take Summit Loop. How about that? Summit Loop is a very nice area. It's garbage day. You can see a lot of garbage cans and recycle bins out here. And it's the day after Halloween, so see a lot of Halloween decorations too. Got some cows on the left, horses on the right. I don't know these roads very well. I better be careful. That's a giant estate off to the left, and apparently they look like they got a bunch of wine grapes going. Yeah, I don't know these roads at all. I'm gonna go slower, especially with all these leaves on the ground. Yeah, it's a nice twisty road that's got some hills. Makes it kind of a nice little ride here. I probably need to take this a little more often, get used to it, and feel more confident. Okay, 15 mile an hour, I see it. Yeah, look at that. Christmas trees up there. So when I got back into riding, everybody around this area here live in Oregon, kind of the Salem, Oregon area. Everybody was telling me that you get, 3 months out of the year to ride. I was like, okay, like June, July, August. I picked up a bike in April. On April 1st, started riding. I had a couple really cold mornings, but I'm not sure why people say you only get 3 months. I mean, I've gone through from April, and now this is November 1st, so I'm getting lots more than 3 months. And you know what? If you keep riding, even though it's a little cold, just get out, warm the bike up. You don't have to put your battery on a tender, and you don't have to, drain your gas tank and all that. Because I don't want to have to do that kind of stuff. And just try to keep my tank pretty full every now and then. Every week or two at least, even in the cold weather, just get out and ride for 30 minutes, 40 minutes. Battery will stay charged. I mean, of course, I do have a battery tender, but it's taken all my project bikes and my son's project bikes. Got a walker there. Enjoying a break in the rain. Yeah, this is kind of steep and windy. This would be pretty fun in the summer. But once again, I got lots of leaves and I don't know the road very well. Here we go. Okay, this is coming out to the main road again. Am I really gonna have to stop for a flagger? Come on. You're not flagging on a day like today, are you? Maybe I'm not out to the main road yet. And I guess I didn't mention anything about my bike right now. This is a V-Star 1300. It's 2012. I picked it up, I don't know, 3 months ago? When did I get this? In June? Okay. They are doing some limbing of these trees. That's kind of fun. And by fun, I mean, necessary. Man, I got condensation on the inside of my helmet here. That's probably the worst thing about riding this time of year. I mean, one of the worst things. I've got a pin lock on this thing, which helps with fog, but it doesn't help with condensation, so it's interesting. And while you're riding, trying to shove your fingers up inside your mask to like wipe away the condensation doesn't always do much. I forgot how long Summit Loop goes. Oh, turkeys. Alright, gotta close my windscreen again. My eyes are starting to water. I prefer to be able to see where I'm going. A bunch of sheep over here. To say, I think at some point here I am coming back to the main road. Oop, there's the stop sign. Okay, yes. Now I know where I am. Back home. Oh, yeah, when they chip sealed that, man, I swear they I don't know what they did, but there's two little sharp bumps in a row. It's like they're trying to throw you off a motorcycle. Yeah, stay on your own side, please. Thank you. My little tree branch down there, no big deal. Some cars already took care of it for me. Appreciate that. And here's where we started Summit Loop, on the right here. So it doesn't make a complete loop of itself, because you got to get back to the main road. But that's alright. Well, now I'm doing a voiceover because I've got a little bit of a lull in the audio, but once again, I'm using a GoPro 9 on my chest, and I'm using the audio from the Cardo inside the helmet. It definitely works better than what I thought would happen. I'm still probably going to go find some kind of a microphone to get up in there that plugs directly into it or something. I got to look at my options, but definitely I'm glad that I picked up the GoPro. The view is much nicer. It's stable. And the first time that I recorded, I went ahead and just did it double time because it was so shaky. It looked a lot better just speeding it up. But this time it's just regular speed, so hopefully you can tell it looks a lot nicer. And I am going to use a mount on the top of the helmet next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.